Hi guys, this is Chef Max from Molecular, and today we're going to do another recipe. This recipe is really close to my heart because this is one of my favorite. This is my version of French toast. Are you ready? Let's go! These are the ingredients that we need. 4 pieces of bread, 2 eggs, 100 ml of milk, 100 ml of cream, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and ½ cup of sugar, butter, and ice cream for the decoration. Get your mixing bowl, pour in the sugar and the cinnamon, and mix it together. While mixing, pour in the eggs and the vanilla, and add the milk, and lastly, pour in the cream. Heat the pan in medium-high heat. Dunk a slice of bread in egg mixture, soak both sides, place in the pan, and cook the both sides until golden brown. Sprinkle some sugar on the top to caramelize. For the final touch, put ice cream on the top. Thanks for watching our video. See you next time!